Hello, Mark Palante here with Basement Waterproofing Specialist. We're sitting here with Molly and the Markham family, who just recently joined our family of customers. And we just recently completed an install in their home, which is part of the house is over a 100-year-old farmhouse, and this part is approximately 50 years old, a newer part of the home. We did an interior pressure relief system in both parts of these basements. Now, if you just give me a moment and tell me about your experience with our company.
Sure. I had a wonderful experience right from the start. I didn't feel like I was talking to a used car salesman. Everyone was so friendly and down to earth, really explained things in a way that I could understand in layman terms, and I was thrilled. And then when the crew came out, geez, I couldn't ask for a harder working, more polite group of people. It was a wonderful experience.
Thank you so much. And if I may ask you, being that we're a family-owned and operated company, do you feel that you had a better experiencing with our company than moving forward with like one of the big box companies?
Oh God, definitely, definitely. In all honesty, we never had much luck with contractors at all. We were thrilled with our experience. It was a wonderful job, and everyone that we've dealt with from the top to the bottom, it just has been fantastic.
Would
Very happy.
you refer us to other friends and family
We already
members?
have.
We already have.
Outstanding, outstanding. Well, thank you so much. I mean, that's a referral is the best form of advertisement, and at Basement Waterproofing Specialists, we try to treat everybody like family. So,
And that's
you
what
guys,
you feel like.
you guys are family.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.